Friends, today we'll start with Gauss law. What is Gauss law? Semi students, what is the importance of Gauss law? So Gauss और theorem जो है ना, it gives a relationship between total flux passing through any closed surface, total charge, total flux passing, or from that, and the flux is due to the electric charges. Yes or no? Due to the electric charge, the electric field, and in the electric field there are the fluxes. So student, this theorem gives a relationship between the total flux passing through any closed surface, and that is equal to nothing but the net charge enclosed within the surface. Student, अगर statement की बात करें तो this law states that the electric flux phi through any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times the net charge q enclosed by the surface. If 1 mark or 2 mark question comes, define uh, Gauss's law. So student, right, this law states that, right, this law states that electric flux phi e to any closed surface through any closed surface to any closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times is equal to 1 by epsilon naught times the net charge q and the net charge q enclosed by the surface, enclosed by the surface. That means students, let this the surface, we'll go to what is Gaussian surface. That is the surface, and here the q charge is enclosed, students. And flux here, let the q charge, q amount of small q charge amount of charge is enclosed. The flux in this electric field is equal to nothing but the closed integral of electric field dot ts. Okay. Flux is vector, so scalar, and E dot ts, E dot ts, EDS cos theta. So that is equal to students q by epsilon naught. फ्रेंड एक्चुअली जो क्लोज सरफेस है ना, ये एक हाइपोथेटिकल बात है और उसको हम बोलते हैं गॉसियन सरफेस. फ्रेंड लेट उसी क्लोज सरफेस में देयर आर सो मेनी चार्जेस q1 q2 q3 n नंबर ऑफ चार्जेस आर देयर. लेट उसी गॉसियन सरफेस पे ये एक हाइपोथेटिकल हम ले रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर लेट बहुत सारे चार्जेस है स्टूडेंट. लेट q1 चार्ज है, q2 चार्ज है, और यहाँ पर q3 चार्ज है, और यहाँ पर q4 चार्जेस है. लेट so student, if I'll go say you to calculate the flux, then you will do what? Sir, phi is equal to flux is equal to closed integral of ds, E dot ds, E vector, ds also is area vector. We'll say what is area vector, we'll know. There is summation of all the charges by epsilon naught. If I'll go, how many charges are here, student? 4 charges. So I could write here q1 plus q2 plus q3 plus q4 by epsilon naught. This is the total flux enclosed. If I'll go for a numerical, let I will say you, students, let there is a surface here. Let for example, we'll take example to understand this. Let we're having a Gaussian surface like this. Okay, and here let there is a small surface q1, और ये जो एक छोटा सा surface है, this is s1. let और let student यहाँ पर और एक surface है s2 जिसपे q2 charges है और q3 charges है. Okay, and this surface is s2. And for net let another surface is there s3 जिसपे q4 charges अंदर पे है. Students, in the following find out the electric flux emerging through s1 and s2. s1 पे कितना flux है, s2 पे कितना flux है. और student, value of q1 q2 are given. Here we have to find in the following figure, find out, right? Find out the electric flux, find out the electric flux through, find the electric flux through surface S1 and surface S2. Okay, और स्टूडेंट यार Q1 Q2 का वैल्यू भी दिया हुआ है. Q1 इज इक्वल टू दिया हुआ है 1 माइक्रोकूलम and Q2 is 2 microcoulomb. Okay, and Q3 is minus 3 microcoulomb. Q3 is minus 3 microcoulomb. Students, here we have to find what is the uh, flux, electric flux emerging through S1 and S2. Students, अगर S1 की बात करें surface 1 पे कितना है students flux बताओ. Q1 का वैल्यू कितना है? You know phi is equal to how much? Q1 by epsilon naught. Okay. Students, here Q1 how much दिया हुआ है? 1 microcoulomb. 1 microcoulomb means how much? 10 to the minus 6 coulomb. And what is the value of epsilon naught? You know 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. तो अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो कितना होगा? 1.13 into 10 to the power 5 volt meter. That is the electric flux. Okay. Students, ये phi 1 पहला सरफेस पे, phi S1. अगर सेकेंड सरफेस की बात करें phi 2, phi 2 के अंदर कितना चार्जेस एनक्लोज्ड हुआ है स्टूडेंट्स? Q2 plus Q3. सो हम क्या लिखेंगे? Q2 plus Q3 divided by epsilon naught. Q2 कितना है स्टूडेंट्स? 2 माइक्रोकूलम plus 3 माइक्रोकूलम. अगर हम यहाँ पर करेंगे तो स्टूडेंट्स देखो यहाँ पर Q2 and Q3, स्टूडेंट Q1 plus Q3, और यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट ये क्वेश्चन पे -3 दिया हुआ है ना चार्ज, देख रहे हो ना, -3 दिया गया है. सो क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर? 2 -3, क्योंकि -3 कूलम दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर चार्जेस. सो इंटू 10 to the power -6 divided by 8.85 into 10 to the minus 12. So the same question came. Listen, 1.13. यहाँ पर 2 minus 3 कितना हो गया? 1 minus 1. ठीक है. So minus 1 into 10 to the minus 6. Okay. So how much it will be? It will be minus 11.3 into 10 to the 5 voltmeter. Okay, students, got it? Let's do another example. And the question is that example like this, it is given flux entering to the closed surface. Let this is a closed surface, students. Okay, here some flux is entering by inside and some flux is leaving by out. कुछ flux enter कर रहा है और कुछ flux leave करके जा रहा है. Flux entering a closed surface is total flux enclosed is equal to flux enclosed, that is total flux entering a closed surface is equal to 2000 voltmeter. This much flux is students entering, and flux leaving the surface, students, this is right, this is the flux entering a closed surface. Flux entering a closed surface and student 8000 voltmeter flux leaving, this much flux leaving the surface, this much flux leaving the surface. Okay, find the charge inside. Find the charge inside. So how much charge inside? Find the charge inside. Okay, so this much flux is entering, this much flux is leaving. That means net flux कितना है? Net flux is how much? Phi out minus phi in. कितना flux leave कर रहा है? Minus कितना flux in किया था, तो जितना बचा, that is the flux, net flux inside. So that is how much? 8000 minus 2000. That is how much? 6000 voltmeter. But student, he is asking what is the charge enclosed. You know flux is equal to how much? Q by epsilon naught. Correct? If I want to find Q, then Q is equal to how much? Phi into epsilon naught. Phi is equal to how much? Net flux कितना आया? 6000 into epsilon naught कितना है? 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. So पूरा को solve करो. So you'll get 0.053 microcoulomb. Got it? Translate There is a charge at the center of a sphere. There is a charge q, and the radius of this is r. Okay, and this is an isolated positive charge, students. Q. Uh, Suppose the surface area is S. This surface area is S. That is sphere of radius r. Center पे q charge रखा हुआ है. Then this total surface is known as student Gaussian surface. Let I have considered here. This is spherical Gaussian surface. We say usually spherical Gaussian surface. We say it at spherical, sorry, spherical Gaussian surface. We say is a spherical Gaussian surface. Okay, students, here you know इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड at any point S इस surface area के ऊपर कोई भी जगह पे इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड जब निकालेंगे रेडियस r पे, so electric field at any point you know on surface area S is equal to q by r square, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q charge by distance r square. This is the electric field. And student, here positive charge, so in all the cases the electric field will be pointing radially outward. So here in this case, as it is a positive charge, so the electric field will be pointing radially outward, students. Okay. And should we have taken an area vector here. Let's take a small area so that we'll integrate to find the total flux enclosed in that area. Let I have taken area, and you know area vector is also, any area vector is always radially outward. Yes or no? So this will be the direction, student. And so it is parallel to the electric field because electric field का direction पे उसी direction पे था. और student area vector मान के चलो ds लेके चल रहे हैं, that is also in the same direction. So student, both are parallel, so theta is equal to 0 degree. And student, flux through area ds, ये जो मैंने small area consider किया हूँ, let the flux through area dx, let the flux through area ds is how much, students? You know d small flux d phi e is equal to, we have found it is the dot product of electric field into area vector E dot ds. So angle is 0 degree. So student, यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं E vector ds cos 0 degree. So that is nothing but, student, EDS. This is the small flux enclosed in the small area vector ds. This is EDS. Okay, small area vector ds पे जो flux link हुआ है, that is EDS. But student, I want to find the total flux. I want to find the total flux through the closed surface. So what I have to do as per the Gauss law, total flux is equal to what I have to do. I have to integrate the small flux E to the total surface area S. Yes or no? So from there I could write, you know, if d, this is equal to EDS. We got it. And student, E is constant coming out throughout the surface. So this is ds. And student, this ds is the surface area of the sphere. So that means I could write here E into total area of sphere. E into total area of sphere. Okay. So that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r square. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हम निकाल लेते हैं, into area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So if I'll solve, then I'll get phi is equal to q by epsilon naught, which is the statement of Gauss theorem. Total flux enclosed is equal to q by total charge enclosed by epsilon naught times. Okay. So Gaussian surface is a hypothetical closed surface enclosing a charge closed Gaussian surface. Okay.